Hello everyone, welcome back to DelfStack Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to restrict multiple responses in Google Forms. First, open your Google Forms and make sure that you are already signed into your Google account. Go to the blank form. After opening it, you will see an untitled form where you can create any survey or quiz. On the right corner, you will see the settings. Click it, then go to the responses section. Drop down this section, scroll down, and you will see the option to limit to one response. After enabling this, it ensures that each user can submit the form only once. Keep this in mind, users must be signed into a Google account for this option to work, and that's it. You have successfully restricted multiple responses in Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button.